I have a problem of keyboard auto scrolling, so I want to fix this problem. So first of all, I need a application, and this application name is PowerToys. First of all, go to search bar, laptop search bar, and search PowerToys. Then click PowerToys Windows 11. Then I click install PowerToys. This powered by Microsoft Team. Now I can see install PowerToys. I click twice this install PowerToys. Scroll down and find asset. Yes, we can find asset. Then we need to download exe file. Yes, we can see this exe file. I have already downloaded here this PowerToys exe file, so I don't need to download it. I need to install it, and after install I go to PowerToys app and search PowerToys, open PowerToys. Then go to keyboard manager. Then we need to click remap key. So we have a auto scrolling problem, so we need to disable page down numpad. Here is page down numpad. To disable page down numpad, click add key remapping, then select page down numpad. Yes, this is page down numpad. Now I will disable it. Here is disable. Then click OK. Continue anyway. Now page down key is disabled.